Oh, shh.
I'm in the other block.
Alright.
Let it go.
Oh, that's very anticlimactic.
Oh.
Okay. It got it. It got it. It's getting stuck. Oh.
You can't stick it.
It's floating. It's floating.
Man, keep stalling.
When you're ready.
Started working on it the day it started.
Are you gonna fail there?
Go in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Please. Everyone else go in. Please.
Go in.
I did it so much.
There's no shot. Hold on. Hold on. Push it at the end. Oh! Come on! No! It sucks.
Bad?
Yes.
Yes.
Like sadder than our class, bro. Even our class got some people actually got fish. Maybe? Yes.
If it gets to the end and it pushes against.
It does have no strength.
It's kind of stuck.
Would have been easier than building a boat.
Top 10 moments on the shell moments.
What did he say?
Oh, that's a one-way closing.
Oh, at least it's moving.
Strong enough to. Oh, it didn't reset.
Yeah, okay. Right, so...
So I need to be ready. Go,
Force of torque is like a. I feel like it's working. Multiplied by the length. The harder it is. Then it stops this time. Feel like no. See, like there's.
Are you getting anything?
No, wait.
Not close?
No, it didn't go in. Which one? The spikes were worse.
I don't know if that will give us a...
Oh no!
Wait, it's getting capsized.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's the Titanic!
Yes!
Oh!